All right. Please don't mind the gloves. It's the only closest thing I can find, but here I am. I'm going to unbox the 2022, I believe, Louis Vuitton collaboration with Virgil Abloh. As you can see, yeah, look at that. It's the limited edition sneakers. I got these because I'm helping a friend sell it on consignment. So I'm trying not to leave any of my fingerprints on here. I'm not really a sneakerhead, but I guess some of you other folks maybe. Okay, as you can see, these are the shoe bags. Looks good. Oh wow, look at that. Looks really good. Air Force One collaboration, Virgil Abloh. I don't know what to say. It's just, these are probably the most expensive shoes I've ever seen in real life, because I don't come across too many of these. As you can see, the inside. This is a size 11 made in Italy. Let's just do a slow close-up for you guys to see. And the other side. These are pretty nice. Red and white is a nice combo. I guess this size is hard to find too for the men's. And then let's see what other stuff is in here. Extra laces. Looks like another tag. Looks like a strap. Well, red laces. Looks good. And it's pretty much everything that's inside this box. The box looks nice. You know, embroidered or embedded, sorry. Louis Vuitton design. So you can see a Nike symbol right there. But, you know, overall, I'm not that impressed by it. Right? I mean, it's a nice shoe though. Yeah, it's a really nice shoe. That's why I'm wearing these gloves. Any comments? Please let me know. Thank you.